welcome back to the channel. For today's video, as you can read the title, beloved my head. We got our UNIT2 baffled 7 trapdoor oil pan in the mail today. I ordered this bad girl about 3 weeks ago and she finally decided to show up. That's my girl, she always on time, you know what I mean? Always on time. So, the goal of today's video is to, well, put the oil pan in, oil change of course, obviously. Unless I could be cheap and reuse that oil that's been in there for about the past 2.5 months, but we rich over here, you know what I mean? Donnie Don. I'm gonna need that second wave of them stimmy checks, you heard? Alright, I just wanted you to hear that, you feel? I know the visuals are kind of trash right now for me opening up this package, and I apologize for that. But hey, given my circumstances in my life, this is the best I could do. You know what I mean? Everything ain't sweet over here at the Zosh residence, but it's okay, because we got this bad girl. Now if you're wondering, Zosh, why did you spend your life savings on this oil pan? And to be quite honest with you,
I'm kind of retarded.
If you plan on doing any type of road course action or time attack, well, obviously time attack, but like even SCCA, like those what's it called, man? What's it called?
Auto cross.
When you're going through cones and stuff, man, you don't want to starve the motor of oil. And with a baffled oil pan, it keeps your oil pickup with oil constantly flowing in. Like, I'll show you. Let me just unbox it. I'm trying to. Let me open up that window. Oh, mom. Oh, 2-4. Yeah. Oh, we got some stickers. Oh, slap that on the whip. And if you guys don't know, UNIT2 FAB is basically like James Houghton. James Houghton's like my idol when it comes to this time attack stuff. He has an Integra. Oof. Oh, I'm getting you naked, girl. Oh, mom. Ooh, mom. Ooh, look at. God dang. You look good, girl. Damn, you look cute. What that mouth do?
Goodbye.
Who's a good boy? You a good boy. You a good boy. So cute. Look at you. So pretty. He's so pretty. I'm so glad. I waited so long for you.
Bitch, don't get too comfortable. Bad night.
Ooh, we got some scrapey boy action down here, but you guys can see over there, your boy look like he was leaking oil from somewhere. You see that? Oh no, baby. It's probably from, you know, the gasket. Well, no gasket, but like the sealant. But it's time to drain this heifer. You feel me? I think this is a, what, 17? I think it's a 17 millimeter. And it is indeed. Okay, so it's time to install our UNIT2 oil pan. Bro, this thing is kind of heavy, dog. Like, look at that. Ooh, look at that try. Or you can look at that buy. Or look at this fat ass why. Like, why do I exist? I'm funny. But it's time to install this bad girl. And I'm looking, oh, got the Honda Bond right there, you heard? And yeah, the great thing about K-Series is that the oil pans only require this. Honda Bond or RTV, Ultra Grade Permatex, whatever you use. I got the Honda Bond on deck. And all you have to do is just outline, you know, like the middle part right here with Honda Bond, and you good, bruh. I do a lot because I hate leaks, you know what I mean? So I don't do like the little dime size amount. Nah. I make sure the top of that oil pan is great. Yeah. I know what you guys are probably thinking. Zosh, what the hell, bro? Why is the lighting terrible? It don't take you that long to do an oil pan. I know. It don't. But when you buy new bolts that are too long, you gotta undo the silicone. And when that Honda bun dries, it dries. Alright? Excuse me, dries. So I had to wait to redo everything. But lo and behold, it's all on, baby. Ooh, look at those nice AutoZone grade 10, $3.99 a pack for 7 bolts. You heard? So yeah, it's all done. Got the UNIT2 sticker in the front, which is gas. Y'all know my lighting is terrible until I get me a shopper. See, it's cool that people get to go buy shops. You know what I mean? Go out and get a shop. You wanna know how they able to do that? Support. Merch drops, they cop. You heard? I wish I had a support. Laugh through the pain, my G. Laugh through the pain. Today is Monday. Today is the day that my package has arrived from Amazon. And it was delivered by UPS, which is weird. I wish Amazon would have delivered it itself, because I would have got it in 2 days. Alright. Brand new, genuine, GM. You know what I mean? Brand new, this is GM. People like, oh, people was like, oh, why would you buy from Amazon? It's not real. Explain this. Explain this, sir. That's the OE part number right there, pimpin'. This low-key probably not real, but we gonna say it is. Cause it is. Woo-wee, crusty crust girl. Got that UNIT2 FAB oil pan installed. Now it's time to install this flex fuel sensor. Hopefully it works, man. I hope this works. And if it don't work, I'm gonna be upset, dog. I'm gonna be real upset, bro. Alright, so I got the sensor installed. Now I'm gonna hook up my computer and see if the sensor's working. Hopefully, cross fingers it's working. If not, then I don't know, bro. The wiring is all good. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna see. So your boy was just freaking out because when I go into K-Pro, I had to update the software and all that stuff, and it wasn't really working. Like my tune wasn't popping up, but I forgot that I had to click on well, you go here, you go to online, and then you go to tools, and then you download, and then it downloads from the ECU. Then all this stuff pops up. But as you guys can see, ethanol content input enabled. Oh wait, that's right. Yeah, flex fuel hit the sensor. Yeah, no check engine lights at all. So error codes, we're good. So our flex fuel sensor is working. So what Javi wanted me to do in order for me to not have to be able to. So what Javi wanted me to do, instead of driving all the way down to get a retune on the the full E85, he wants me to wire in my O2 into my ECU, and then he'll street tune for the pump gas. So that might be happening very soon, but I think Randy wants to retune as well. So maybe if Randy's down, we'll both drive down south, and then we'll just go have a cool vibe day, just retuning our cars again. So all in all, we're good to go. And my baby, that's my baby. Let's go fill this bad girl up, you heard? Bad vlogging, y'all know the vibes. Came to Fred's house. Ooh, but my car is giving me issues. I'm having the issue where my car is leaning out. Well, when I do wide open throttle pulls, the car is not reading 12s or 11s or 13. That's just reading 14.8. 15.5, like it's reading high, which means it's not doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm waiting to hear back from the homie Javi and see what's going on with the car. But man, she just oof, yeah. She a baddie. Peace out, Mark. Hey, how your car driving, bro?
Fantastic.
You ain't leaning out at wide open throttle pulls?
I should haven't been acting up. I'm motor A1, bro. Healthy ass motor, bro.
I wish I was a healthy guy, man.
What?
Yep. Fred Bon Bread.
You got a big Fred?
Fred doing a full suspension overhaul. Boy, good. So it is the next day. We are keeping this video going. So as far as my issue was from last night, I talked to Javi. I upped my fuel trim to 47. It was originally at 25, and then I was like leaning out. It was not right. So Javi told me to up it to, I think, 40, right? Or 45, something like that. So I upped it to like 40, 45, and it was a little, I wasn't really happy with it. So I put it to 47. I had it at 50, then I put it to 47, and 47 is perfect. Idling is 14.3, 14.4. Driving is like 13-ish with, like it's literally perfect right now. But I didn't tell you guys this because I thought I fixed it, but I did not fix my flex fuel issue. Like it's just not reading for some reason. It's not reading properly. So what I'm gonna do is start diagnosing this, see the cause of it, see if it's yep, that's exactly what I'm about to do. So I have the E85 sensor and like man, I didn't really do anything, but I have like no check engine light codes this time. I go to parameters. You guys see it. It's working, like it's enabled, but like when I go to sensors, I go all the way down. As you guys can see, the not focusing. Ethanol content 0%, which shouldn't be saying that at all. So I have no idea what's going on right now. So I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy the video, always seeing me in my disparity of so sad, I'm just so sad, please leave a like on the video. I'm trying to be like Mike and make 10 bands a month, but next video this thing should be all squared away. Hopefully just something stupid to do with the wiring or something. I don't know. I mean, it's not really hard to wire up a flex fuel sensor, but I was talking to Mark from Honda Street Garage, and he said like a lot of people have this issue when running the flex fuel sensor on the K Pro version 4, where like sometimes it don't want to read, it doesn't want to work with the firmware, but I updated all the firmware stuff. No idea what's going on, just I don't know. So hopefully by the next video I release of this car or whatever, I'll give you guys an update saying that it's either fixed or it's not fixed. I will let you know. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If I did have some Zosh Energy sweatshirts, link down below. Now I mean, help support the channel so I can buy cool parts and install them. And yeah, did you guys know that like when you support your favorite creator, like they're able to like do more stuff? I'm just saying, like it's crazy, revolutionary to be honest. I be trying to manipulate y'all, but that shit don't be working. Oh well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.